What made me pick Chigwell Window Centre was, first of all, they've got fantastic marketing. You can see all of the products and there's fantastic testimonials. And so when I did inquire, I was actually quite reassured by the fantastic service that I received, because it was exactly what my friends had said. Professional, they come back with a variety of different options, and of course I'm not an expert, and I really do believe that they are experts.
The reason why I chose Chigwell is because of their excellent reputation in the area, and I think the products have been excellent. I have to say, I know they make them locally and employ local people, but the products have been excellent. They certainly fit in with the style of property that I've got.
I think for me it was the efficiency. We were kept up to speed throughout the process, from when the product went to order to when it was going to be delivered to us. Yeah, 100% recommend it. We've kept the advertisement up outside our house, and that's something we're really proud of. So yeah, no, 100% recommend them and thank them enough either.
I would certainly highly recommend Chigwell, and there's been no issues. They're a great local company, great product, great customer service.